Welcome to ICSC Help YouTube channel. Today is the topic force for ICSC class 10 physics. Force for ICSC class 10 physics. The chapter force is the first chapter for ICSC class 10 physics, and there would be discussed about some important point. First of all, translational motion. Translational motion. Translational motion. Motion. What is translational motion? If a body is pushed or pulled by a force and body travel in a straight path, no curve path, straight path, then it is known as translational motion. Suppose that it is a body A and this is the way, and if you apply a force on this point, force B at this point, then body travel at this straight line, and this is known as translational motion. In translation motion, body should be travel in a straight line. And the second point is rotational motion. Rotational motion. The rotational motion is a motion in which a body is rotated about a fixed point axis, about a fixed point axle or axis. It is known as rotational motion, such that if this is the body and this is the point fixed point, this fixed point is known as axle, and if you apply the force at this point A, a force is applied, then body rotate, it is known as rotational motion. There is a difference in rotational motion and translational motion. The translation motion is the straight line motion, while the rotational motion is the rotational motion about a fixed point, and this fixed point is known as axle or axis. The third point is moment of force or torque. The third important point in the chapter force for ICSC class 10 physics is the torque. It is also known as moment of force. Moment of force. What is torque or what is moment of force? The moment of force is the turning force. If this is the body and you want to turn it on any direction, at this direction or this direction, then a force should be applied. Suppose that a force is applied at point A, and then body is turning down at this direction. This is known as turning force or torque or moment of force. Suppose that if you apply the force at this point, then the body will move rotate at this direction. This is known as torque or moment of force. Don't be confused. The difference between moment of force and momentum. Momentum is separate topic, while moment of force is separate. How can you calculate the moment of force or torque? Torque can be calculated by the product of force applied and perpendicular distance from pivoted point. It means force into perpendicular distance. If you apply the force is equal to 10 Newton, and the axle is this point and the perpendicular distance from force applied and the axle is suppose that 2 meter, Then what is the torque? Torque means moment of force. The force is 10 Newton and the perpendicular distance is 2 meter, and the torque I means moment of force is 20 Newton meter. This is the moment of force. On which factor moment of force depend? Torque depend. There are two factors. Factor on which moment of force depend. The moment of force depend. You saw in the formula that there are two factors. First of all force and second is perpendicular distance. So there are two factors. First of all force applied, and the second factor is the perpendicular distance. These are two factors on which torque of a body is depend. Torque means moment of force or rotational force, turning effect. Next point is the clockwise or anti-clockwise. 5 point. If a body is applied, a force is applied on a body, then there may be two type motion. If you apply the force at this point A on the body and O is center, and force applied on this body, then body will move at this direction. It is known as clockwise movement. And if this force is applied to this direction, then what is the motion of body? The motion of body this direction, it is known as anti-clockwise movement. You all know that there are two type of movement. Clockwise movement if body rotates at this direction, and anti-clockwise movement if body rotates at this direction. How can you change the clockwise into anti-clockwise and anti-clockwise into clockwise? It is depend on two factors. First of all, how can you change? Clockwise and anti-clockwise each other. Anti-clockwise movement each other. How can you change? Suppose that if there is a body, and this is the fixed point O, suppose that you have applied the force at this point A by a force F, then body will move clockwise direction. And how can you change it? If you apply this force and the direction of force is changed, the body clockwise become anti-clockwise. So number A, by changing direction of force, and the second point, you can also change clockwise to anti-clockwise and anti-clockwise to clockwise. Do not change the direction of force. There is the direction of force at A, force, and do not change the direction of force, but change the point of application. If direction of force this, then body will move this clockwise. And if body has force on this direction B, this point B, then what is the movement? Direction of movement, then body will move anti-clockwise. So the second point, first point by changing the direction of force, and the second point by changing the point of force, you can change the clockwise into anti-clockwise motion. What is common example of torque? There are many common examples in torque, and we will discuss in it in our second video. Please see our second part for full chapter of force to understand the topic. And second chapter we will discuss about the couple and the equilibrium, two type equilibrium and the condition of equilibrium and the principle of motion. Thank you. Visit iccshelp.com to get the solution of this chapter. Thanks.